TikTok says you can make a super cool camera filter for your iPhone with nothing but some tape and a couple magic markers. We're gonna compare it against the iPhone camera graduated filter kit from Expo. Let's do this. So to try the TikTok iPhone filter hack, it's really simple. Basically, we're just gonna get a piece of clear Scotch tape, pat it down over the camera on the back of the iPhone, and then use any markers we want to color it in. First, I'm gonna try the ND32 filter. This filter is basically something you can use to cut the light down when you're taking something against a really sharp background. We're gonna start out with the iPhone filter from Expo. Now, we're gonna try it out with the TikTok hack using the black marker to color in our tape. All right, now I'm gonna get a little funky with things. I'm gonna try to make the craziest, trippiest, most abstract art filter possible that I can by combining a couple of the Expo filters together. For the TikTok hack, I'm gonna layer a bunch of different pieces of tape, coloring with different colors of markers. All right, now I'm gonna use the Expo graduated blue filter, which is really good for taking photos when you have a bright blue sky outside. I'm gonna walk outside and see how well I can take a photo of the hotel down the street. Now for the TikTok filter, I'm gonna use the tape and the blue marker to create a homemade version of the graduated blue filter. All right, I've got my portfolio ready. I'm looking for a little bit of criticism. So I'm gonna let the In The Know team decide which photos look better, the ones with the TikTok filter or the one with the Expo gadget filter. The results are in. We polled 6 coworkers turned art critics, and 5 of them voted in favor of the Expo iPhone camera filter gadget. TikTok loses out this time. The photos were just not up to snuff. They weren't as clear, it looked a little bit worse, but this time it seems like the gadget wins.